Welcome to this quick guide on how to swap Solana to BRET on CoinSwapKing.com. Start by entering the amount of Solana you want to exchange in the USend field. The calculator will automatically show you how much BRET you'll receive based on the current exchange rate. In this step, you'll need to provide the BRET wallet address where you want to receive your BRET. Be sure to double-check the address, as your BRET coins will be sent here immediately after the exchange completes. To complete your Solana to BRET swap, you'll need to send a deposit. On the exchange page, you'll find the address where you need to transfer the specified amount of Solana. This step is crucial for proceeding with the swap. After receiving your deposit, we will convert it to BRET. This process may take a short while. Once completed, your BRET will be sent directly to the wallet address you provided. Check the link in the description to get started. Swap thousands of coins instantly on CoinSwapKing.com. No sign up, no limits, no complications.